Okay? Big breaths through your nose. With the gas. Alright. And, might start to make you feel a bit
Dizzy.
a bit dizzy, not dizzy, like a bit floaty. Tingly hands, tingly, more relaxed. Okay. Okay. And can you pop your head back? Thank you. And can you shuffle up a little bit more? Yep. Okay. Perfect. So, just going to pop this across your nose. Good. Alright. So, big breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth, okay? And like big breaths from your belly. Oh, that one. Got a good squish. So, a bit of water, okay? Just to get rid of that yucky taste. Okay. Nice slow breaths. Okay, perfect. Alright, well, we'll rinse it out in a sec, okay? Tastes pretty yucky. Alright, so a bit of water, okay? Just to get rid of that taste. And really big. Open up. Yeah. Now you can have a swallow then, okay? Have a swallow. Good. Okay. Alright. That's it.
That's a good one.
We can see you. We can see you breathing. Because we've got a little balloon that's going up and down. That's it. So things are going to start feeling, well, they feel pretty fat and swollen, don't they? Yeah. Nice, slow breaths. Okay.
It's alright, yeah.
Nice, slow breaths. Nice, slow breaths. That's it. Slow breath.
It's alright, yeah.
Doing well.
You're doing well. It's
Awesome.
just stay.
Okay, yucky taste. Just go against, get rid of it. That's it. Yeah, big noises, huh? One's out, yep.
Yeah.
Good.
Good job, yeah.
I can never feel that.
Good.
That's
That's what we
good.
want.
Nice. You got through all the hard bit, all the needles. It's not very nice. But, okay. fight together? All the way? Perfect. Okay.
That was quick.
Yeah. Do that, huh?
See?
So, what I need you to do now is keep closed for half an hour, okay? So it's 10:30 now, so keep fighting till 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay? So yeah, keep pressure half an hour.
Yeah.
No spitting, no rinsing.
For
24
30
hours.
minutes. For how?
Well, 24
For
hours.
24 hours.
Yeah, okay. No spitting, no rinsing. Just drink and swallow.
That's so long.
Okay?
But he can have ice cream
Yeah,
after
you can
30
have ice cream.
minutes.
Um,
After.
Alright. Sit you up a bit. You feel pretty normal? Or you feel a bit dizzy?
Alright, yeah.
Not too bad? Yeah.
Good job.
Alright.
Rain, rain. It's coming. Stop, babe.
Look alright, mate?
Yeah, you're right. This one is all right. I don't know the other side. Slowly.
I want it straight. Ah!
Si Kuya nag-a-assist sa kanya. Ito pa naman, gusto niya. Straight talaga yung caravan sa, dyan sa shed.
Yeah, about to go.
Yeah, you're good?
Oh, that's alright. How much more?
And ayan kila Joe, dito sila nakagarahe din kasi may space pa naman. Laki pa ng space, oh. Pwede pa tayo mag-ballroom dancing dito. Okay now, Han? Yeah. Yes. Thanks, Kuya. Oh no, what happened? Kuya, careful. Kinalbo nyo na to. Oh no. No more trees. Hala. Ay, si Kuya ang tumutulong and doon, ayan, kinalbo na nila. Tutubo rin kasi yan. Ang lagu-lago na kasi matagal na yan, hindi na na trim. Hindi trim. Inano talaga nila. Kinalbo. Hindi na yan trim, kalbo na.
Sorry, coffee.
I've got you a large. That's a large. Plastic.
Mama had this before. I wouldn't add that before.
Holly, what would you like to drink?
I'll have that one. I'm not having that.
Good morning guys! Happy Sunday! Today is June 4. And yung mga clips na nakita nyo, bago tong vlog na to, yun yung mga ganap namin nung mga nakarang araw. Nakita nyo si Kuya, binunutan ng ipin. Si Kuya maliit yung, mababa yung kanyang pain tolerance kasi grabe, as in, grabe yung eksena dun sa grabe yung ingay ni Kuya dun sa dentist niya. Pero ayan, 3 kasi yung binunot sa kanya. Dapat 2 lang. Tapos, nung nakita ng doctor niya na si Kuya, parang, parang nininervyos. Tapos, yun nga, parang konting parang, hindi naman sisig. Parang ganun. Basta maingay si Kuya. So, sabi ng doctor sa akin, yung isa pa raw, burutin niya na lang. Kasi, i-reschedule sana siya ulit. So, nung nakita niya si Kuya, makikita niyo yung vlog na yun ng konting clips na kinukulot ni Kuya yung sarili niya pag ini-injectionan siya. Tapos, basta, grabe yung eksena doon ni Kuya. Tapos, may siya doon, may gas na siya doon na. Sisak ng binunutan, walang gas. Yung normal lang kung anong ginagawa sa akin pag binubunutan, yung parang cream, injection, ng anesthetic, yun. Kay Kuya, may may gas, pero hindi pa rin natahimik si Kuya kasi maingay si Kuya. Hindi ko na lang yung sound. And pa ba? Kahapon, nagcut ng mga dito na nakita niyo naman kinat na yung mga talahib dito sa amin. Kasi pag lumalabas yung car, nasasagi na siya. Para na talaga siyang talahib. Tapos yung doon. So matagal na kasi hindi siya na-trim. Si Joe talagang gumagawa nun. Pero lumipat na ng job. Lumipat na. Iba na yung job kasi ni Joe ngayon. So parang kahapon lang nagkaroon ng time si Joe na siya yung mag-cut. Kasi mayroon pa siya yung mga gamit ng pang-cut nun. Kami wala. Tapos, tinulungan din ni Jan, si Joe, kung anong yung gagawin sa bahay na pag-cut or So, ganun lang yung, nila, yung parang, nag-offer, nagtutulungan, ganun. And then, kagabi, dito sila nag-dinner. Nag-take away kami ng pagkain sa labas. Kami ni Kylie yung bumili sa labas. And today is big day for Holly! Kasi today yung first competition ni Holly. So ngayon, nandito yung mga, pakita ko sa inyo.
I need to try my best.
Yeah, I'll try my best. So ayan yung aking gagamitin kay Holly. So, ito yung makeup niya, nakalagay doon sa, may note kasing binibigay sila kung anong klaseng makeup ang ilalagay kay Holly. So, smoky, nude or brown yung gagawin sa mata. And then, pink lipstick. Tapos, dapat naka-foundation. Tapos, yung nila, yung buhok, nakataas na, yung sleek na, basta ponytail na mataas. Ganon. Tapos, sobrang linis dapat dyan. So, gagamit tayo ng spray net. And,
I think we need it in a bun.
Yes. You're gonna tie like this high, I think. Yes. Kasi nasa note yun. So, yun ang gagawin natin kay... Yes. No, ballet is, we make like a band. But this one is Like a pigtail. Oh no. Ponytail. Thank you, Sak. Ponytail. Yon. Hala, malulobot agad ako, guys. So, yun ang gagawin natin kay Holly. Kasi may note dito. Oops. Can I get this?
Mom, have I had more medicine?
No, I don't think so. Si Kuya may yun nga, pinabunutan siya, diba? Sumasakit pa. No, you haven't. So, eto yung sleek high ponytail, straight. Kasi last time, kinukulot. Ngayon, hindi. Tapos, nude. Hala, wala kang nude underwear, Baba. Yun lang ang wala kami talaga. Ang nakalagay kasi dito, appropriate underwear, nude. Walang nude si Holing Andy. Kasi mga Andy ng mga bata is, yung may mga character na puti nga lang. You're wearing white? Let me see. Are you wearing white? Kasi wala akong blue. Maghanapan kita ng iba. So, yan. Tapos, foundation, blush, bronzer, neutral smoky, eyeshadow brown, mascara, hot pink lipstick. So, mayroon tayong hot pink lipstick. So, yan yung gagawin natin kay Holly. So, make-upan ko to kasi 2:00 kami. Dapat nandun na kami sa, sa venue. Pero, dadan muna kayo kay Auntie Mel kasi si Auntie Mel yung nag-pick up ng, costume ni Holly sa Mount kasi para hindi na magbiyahe doon. So, si Auntie Mel lang kumuha. So, kikitain din naman namin talaga si Auntie Mel kasi manunod siya. Alam niyo naman si Auntie Mel, very supportive na tita. So, gawin ko na to, guys. So, i-fast forward ko na lang kayo, ha?
Let's get started.
Yes, let's get started. Okay, foundation.
Foundation.
Baba.
Yeah.
I forgot one thing. One thing. Let's say about one.
Wait long. Wait long.
Baba, come here, Baba. Let's see if it can fit.
What?
So, ayan. Napalitan ko na siya ng underwear. At least hindi blue. Ngayon, ang gagamitin ko sa kanyang foundation ay yung Estee Lauder na double wear na ang shade niya is Rattan. Ayan. Rattan and meron din tayo ditong Moonshot na cushion. Then, yung sa kanyang smoky, yung Arglam ang gagamitin ko. Ayan. Kasi yan yung parang merong mga nude-nude na tapos shimmering. Okay. Kasi nakalagay bronze, bronzer, neutral smoky. Ang foundation mo daw, blush. Foundation, blush, bronzer, neutral smoky. Okay. Right, start. We have to do your hair later. Where's your tie? I told you to ready.
Mom, my tie's here.
Where? Ready na siya kasi sinabihan ko na siya habang
You just
nag-aayos
need
ako.
our hair up, and then Mom will take it down and put it in
Yeah.
a ponytail.
Ponytail. Ganyan yung mamaya pero ayusin pa natin to. I-ano ko lang siya. Taas ko lang siya para wala sa aking sagabal. Okay? Alright.
Just feed it. I want to run you on it.
Padapi. Yung boys may pupuntahan sila, hindi sila sasama. So gusto niyang mini-make-upan siya. Ito yung ilong ko.
Mom, what does Holly wear like ballet shoes?
No. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung costume. No.
I found these, Mom.
She have costume, Baba. Ang ganda ng ilong ko. Bakit?
I found these though.
No, not that one ko. Yes.
Yeah, but are they the one that she uses though?
No, for ballet yan. Kailangan ko ng headband.
오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 멈춰 살아 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면 마음 편할 텐데 그래 나도 언젠간 너처럼 다 잊을 게 처음부터 우린 없었던 일 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 문이 다 다른 너와 내 favorite cafe 커피 향에 사랑을 하고 사랑을 받았었던 추억들이 피어오르네 그림자 없이 날 비추는 태양 그 아래 우산 없이 그냥 흠뻑도 잡고 있어 Rain Yeah 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대
Lagyan ko na siya ng mascara. Ito ay from, available to guys sa aking curry shop. Check nyo. Ito yung, hi daddy! Basta yan.
You're so beautiful.
Oi, Dad.
Nasa curry shop ko dito.
Are you taking him back there
Yeah.
in charge?
Yeah, can you clean up the backyard, please, so I can cut the lawn? And put some wood in the wheelbarrow, thanks.
And then I'm gonna
Ang haba ng pilik mata
Oh,
niya.
okay,
Okay.
wash this Malone and then...
Yeah. Say good luck to your daughter.
What time are we going?
Soon.
We're going to Auntie Mel's house first.
What time? Yeah.
It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah, 2 o'clock we're supposed to be there before 2.
So what time are we going to go?
As soon as possible. As soon as I finish Holly.
I'm playing now. We're going to Auntie Mel's house.
Yeah,
Oh, well,
we're
I've got to just wash that, then come back.
We gotta go to Auntie Mel's house.
going to Auntie Mal's house.
See you, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Kasi busy si John sa boat.
You'll do good, alright?
Wow, really?
I know you will. It's hot in here.
Tapos si Kuya,
Alright.
tutulungan niya si Daddy.
Good luck, darling.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
Tapos si Kuya, ayun, pinapalinis na ni Jan yung backyard kasi magkakat ng grass kasi sobrang taas na ng grass kasi nga yung weather natin ngayon is maulan. Tapos yun, malusog yung ating grass. Lalagyan ko siya ng mascara. Let me see, Baba. Linisin muna natin yung brush ko na rin yung kanyang kilay. Itong kilay niya. Hindi ko yan linagyan ng brush ko lang talaga siya. Okay. The mascara, Baba, you know the rules of mascara. You don't do this. You don't blink, okay?
I just do this.
No, you don't, because it's all the mascara will go on your face. So just do like, stay. Stop. Don't move. Okay, stop blinking your eyes, please. I just said. Stop blinking, please, because stop blinking. Blink siya ng blink. Nalagyan ko na siya ng mascara. Tingnan niyo yung lashes ni Holly. Hindi ko yan kinurla. Pero tingnan niyo, ang haba. Tapos pag nakaharap siya, hindi na makita yung kanyang eyeshadow. Baba, look at me. Dahil natatakpan na ng kanyang lashes. Ang haba-haba ng lashes mo, Baba. Can you see?
Oh, why that's so big?
Long.
They're so long.
Yeah, so long. Tingnan niyo.
Because they grow.
They grow. Let me see. Open your eyes. Ganyan siya. Tingnan nyo. Open your eyes. Okay, wide open, Baba. Ganyan kahaba ang lashes niya. Akala mo, yung kanyang, tawag nan? Wala, hindi nyo makita yung eyeshadow niya. Alright.
Mom, what's next?
Next, excited siya. Okay, blush on. Tapos na tayo sa mata niya. Blush on naman tayo. Ito yung Hourglass na diffused heat. Ang kanyang shade.
Is it?
I think. I think. Alright, okay. Alright, blush on, blush on. Where's mine?
I said pink.
Okay. Like this.
무작정 어딘가 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무
Okay, tapos na ako sa kanyang face. Ngayon naman sa kanyang...
Wait, can I see?
Where's your, ano, Baba? Your spray?
I don't know, is it that?
Huh? No, your spray.
Oh my god, that looks okay.
Si Kuya.
Right.
What do you think?
I
Good?
look beautiful.
You are beautiful. With or without makeup, you are beautiful. Okay. So,
I know my makeup.
where's your...
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. To spray the...
What's that spray?
Wait lang. Ang bukas ni Holy, ano?
Amogus.
Kunin ko yung shiny.
Hang on. Like, I need to get something. Okay. Oh no, I look so rosy cheeks.
Kunin ko yung aking...
Baby shark, do 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 baby.
Meron ako dito toothbrush para lang sa buhok namin. Ayan.
Hey.
Come on. Come on, Baba. Come on. Yung buhok ko, pag natatouch yung aking muka, kumakat eh. Okay. Baba, can you sit properly, please? So,
One thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. Every crossing borders, no taking orders, and I like it like that. Even a broken watch is right 2 times a day. I took a chance and I was right in every way. For lack of anything better for me to say, hey, I like you like that, yeah, I like you like that. We're up here on cloud 9, and somehow we get it right every time. 'Cause these days we're part.
alis na kami, guys. Ayan na pala si Holly. Punta na kami kila Auntie Mel kasi nandoon yung costume niya. And pipick upin din natin si Auntie Mel. May dala rin siyang baon dyan. And ako rin. O, ayan. Dala ko rin yung laptop. Si Jan nagkakat na ng grass. Okay, Kuya. See ya.
See ya. Thank you.
Ano? What did you say? Say so. Huh? Good luck. Nahiya talaga siya. Okay, come on.
Mom, you have to say it too.
Yeah. Good luck, baby.
God, baby, you look so beautiful. Good luck, good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck, darling.
Okay, see you, honey.
Bye.
Love you too. Bye. Cut siya ng grass eh. Sige, ate. Stop kami dito ni Holly sa Badnox kasi kuhaan ko siya ng lunch. Chicken with chips. So, yan na yung ice cream and nandito yung pagkain ni Holly and Lollies niya. So, punta na tayo kila Auntie Mel. Ako na tayo may ice cream. Dito na kami kila Auntie Mel and tada! Badnox. Ang ganda ng kitchen ni Auntie Mel. Ganda ng kitchen. Pinarenovate ito ni Auntie Mel. Ayan, guys. I'm gonna give them a tour, okay, Auntie Mel? Okay. Kung maalala nyo, hindi ko alam, matagal na kasi kami nakapunta dito kila Auntie Mel. Pero alam nyo naman yung itsura ng kitchen ni Auntie Mel. Brown. Tapos, basta old na siya talaga. Ngayon, tingnan nyo ang pantry. Ang pantry ni Auntie Mel, nice. Oh. Hanggang doon. Baba. No, they're going to the... where's the boat is? Yard. Yeah, boat. And bago yung fridge ni Auntie Mel. And then, ayan, bago. Same ng aming, ano ba, kulay ng microwave. Yung dishwasher niya. Tapos dito, the sink is here. And yung... yeah, the cabinets there. No, it's so nice. And yeah, yung old fridge dito. Tapos, ayan, may coffee maker na siya. It's nice, Auntie Mel. So, where's your cookware? Here?
That one.
Here? Ang ganda. Yeah.
Oh, that's just like me.
Yeah, cooking, baking.
That's the cups.
Yeah. Ang ganda. Tapos dito, ang ginawa niya dito is yung katulad sa pantry. Ganyan. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Tapos yung mga spices ni Auntie Mel. And tingnan nyo. Meron siyang binake. What's this, Auntie Mel? Apple? Apple crumble. And, tada, ang ganda ng kitchen ni Auntie Mel. Wala na siyang table. Mayroon na lang siya yung island. Island ba ang tawag? You call this island? Yeah. And, lahat na drawers. Ang ganda. I like the color, Auntie Mel. Ayan yung kanyang mga baonan. Tayo na talaga nag-raid ng kitchen ni Auntie Mel. Yan. Ang daming drawers. Oh, ayan. Nice. Ayan yung plate ni Auntie Mel. And dito, yung kanyang mga baonan. Yeah. And baking. Mga Pyrex. Tapos, ayan yung mga ano niya na yan. Mga... And, walang anak si Auntie Mel. But, tingnan nyo naman ang snacks. Walang anak. I mean, no kids anymore. But, look at the snacks.
Still have the kids' mom.
Yeah. Ayan, oh. Sila kuya, pagpunta may pagkain pa rin. Nice. And siya kumakain na. And pinabago na rin to. Naunang pinabago ni Auntie Mel. Where's Uncle Jay's? Farm. Bago tong kitchen, yung unang pinagawa ni Auntie Mel ay yung kanyang lounge. Kung maalala nyo before, kung maalala nyo lang. Ayan, bago na yung carpet ni Auntie Mel. Lahat na bago. As in, renovate talaga ito ng bongga ni Auntie Mel. Ang ganda. Love it. Oh, maaliwalas. I love white kitchen, Auntie Mel. Nice. Tingnan mo, nagbe-bake na si Auntie Mel. Oh, lagi na siya nagbe-bake. You keep baking na, Auntie Mel? Ayan yung mga spices niya, oh. Wala pang laman yung kanyang ano. When did Uncle Jace finish this one, Auntie Mel? Yesterday. So, fresh pala to, guys. As in, kasi nga si Uncle Jace, busy din siya sa work niya. Yung work ni Uncle Jace is a plumber. So, si Uncle Jace lahat niya nang gumawa. So, kung may time si Uncle Jace, sa kanya lang to ginagawa. So, ngayon, natapos kahapon. Ayan yung kanyang mga potatoes. Diba? Ayan, pinapakain ko lang si Holly.
5 eyelashes on.
No, that's the real one, Auntie Mel. Real eyelashes. Excited na siyang suotin yung kanyang nice ang kitchen talaga. Yung kanyang andito yung ano niya. Ito yung kanyang costume. Very pinky talaga. Oh no.
Big.
It looks big? I hope not.
But the lady said they got all size 8s, and then there's like a bigger girl in her class. And the mum goes, I don't think this is going to fit.
To Holly?
No, to her
daughter.
And then I thought, oh, that looks too big for Holly.
Oh my god. Okay, hurry up, Baba, so we can check. Size 8. Yeah, Holly is 6. Turning 7. Ito din kay Holly, in-order ko din to. This is your new stocking, Baba.
Oh, that's going to be big too.
Yeah,
Size
size
8 to 12.
but it says it's small.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, Baba. Ayan na siya, guys. Nahiya siya. Bakit ka na? You look nice. See? Ayan na siya, oh. Ready na siya. Pero hindi siya magbaballet. Iba yung isasayaw niya. Oy, come here. Yan, nagsasapatos na siya, yung pang-dance niya. Excited na siya. Inubos ko yung pagkain ni Holly. May ice cream pa tayo. Nandun pala yung baso ni Auntie Mel. Dito ba yun? Yes. Kuha tayo ng tubig. Try natin yung water ni Auntie Mel.
Ano?
Is it? Yeah. Ang konti naman. Tipid. Yeah, alis na tayo. Si Auntie walang pa-drive-in natin. Okay. Yeah.
I know you're driving.
I'm driving.
Yeah. Ha. Kasi mayroon tayong dala ko yung laptop, hindi ko naman na ano. Kasi chika-chika pa ni Auntie Mel.
Mom, this can't even fit.
Dito na tayo guys, kung saan gaganapin yung kanyang first concert, competition.
What is it, a competition?
Competition, Auntie Mo. It's not a concert, competition. Bagong gawa rin, rinenovate din tong Recreation Convention Center. So, bagong gawa rin siya. Tita Mel is always a super tita. Very supportive. Ito yung ilalagay natin sa buhok ni Holly. Ayan na yung kanyang hairpiece. What you look like? You look so pretty.
And yeah, her body's going. Sorry.
You're right. Yeah, that's Holly.
Next we welcome to the stage competitors at number 1, Hot Dance Studio.
Bahay na kami guys. Third runner up sila. Third runner up. And si Jan, nag-order na lang siyang DP dog. Sila, fish and chips. Ako, meron akong in-order. Kahapon, kagabi, kami ni Kylie. Pumunta nga kami sa Asian store.
Now, where's all the cups?
Ha?
Where's all the cups? In the fridge.
Meron ako ditong tom yum soup na in-order kagabi na
Mom,
hindi ko dinalaw.
I tried that noodles while you were gone.
This is,
Mama, I finally finished yours.
you finished my, what you call
That
that?
bit's spicy, really good.
You, so in order ko kahapon na bami.
Lucky I didn't use that.
Why? What?
It's brown.
That's outside sack. That's here. That's in here, not inside.
There you go.
So initing ko tong aking dinner. Ang oras na 6 o'clock.
No, you wash the dishes.
Yeah. Yung mga pinagkainan nyo. Ayan. Seafood to, guys. Baka mag-ano yung ano. So, ayan na guys, yung ating tom yum soup na may maraming seafood. Ayan, yung tahong or mussels and calamari. And si Holly, tinanggalan ko na siya ng makeup. Maliligo to. Kasi ang buhok niya.
My mom didn't put it all up because I'm gonna have a shower again to wash it all up.
Yeah, tinanggal ko na. So, kain muna kami guys. Or i-close ko na yung vlog. Hindi ko alam kung saan naabot ang vlog natin ito guys. Pero yun na yung ganap natin for today. Say thank you. And congratulations, Baba. You done very well. Did you enjoy?
I enjoyed it because at the end I got to saw Sophie and I got to Chona.
Yeah, alright. See you guys. We'll see kung saan naabot ang vlog natin guys. Thank you.
Cause